This will take you through the order process of how to get stationery. So we start with new order, and all this is exactly the same as it was. Put in your names, and titles, and dates. I'm just going to go quick on some of this for sake of everybody already knows how to do this. Nothing has changed. Let's get the main picture in there and hit save and continue. And now you'll see where things look a little different. We have on the left side all the cart items that you can get individually. Over on the right is where you can bundle and save with getting one of our main products with a legacy and marquee included and all the stationery. So we're going to select that. You can see what you can get here. And in the process here, we're going to open up another new window where you can pick which main product you want. Let's start with the portrait. Submit portrait info. You scroll up to the top, you can see things that turn green means it's adding to your order. You can see the running total over here, basic information here. You can go back and edit it. And we're going to pick a background. I think we have 25 different backgrounds to choose from for all the stationery. Let's go with pink clouds. And you can also upload a custom background. That's $20 extra charge for that to go on all the different products that we offer for stationery. But we're going to stay with the pink clouds on this one. Let's go in and you'd fill out all this information on the marquee and legacy just as you would before. And any of that information that would cross over to the stationery would automatically populate for the stationery. So let's do that for the legacy. We'll go in here, pick our legacy 13 by 19, and we'll paste in an obituary. Hit submit legacy information. Scroll up to the top, and you can see now we've picked our background and we've done our legacy. Total still stays the same. We haven't done the marquee yet, and we'll just skip that on this order, but you can get the marquee anytime you want as well. Now you can select which stationery products you want or need, and we're going to go with either the economy book or the premium book. The premium's a little bigger, and it's got the gold inlay text, and let's go with the premium on this one. You can see the different layouts that you get to customize yourself. Pages 5 and 6 will always be ready for you to download when you're ready to print those. And we're going to start with pages 1 and 2, which is the form that pops up here. Everything is repopulated from our original information we provided. That's the main picture. And you can see even the obituary is already pasted in here. You can go in here and change this, honoring life's memories, if you want. I'm going to keep it like that because I like it. Anytime you see black text, it's going to show up to our artist as the black text is what you want. So if you want to change it, you can change it. But let's go get a photo. If you forgot to get a photo for any reason, you can hit submit registry book info, and it'll say, we notice you did not add a photo on page 2. Would you like to add a photo or skip this step? We do want to add a photo. Let's go back to this. Click on a photo that we want. We ask that you follow the format we have. It looks best to have all the same, 3 photos here. If you just have 2, that's fine. If you just have 1, that's fine. If you just have 0, we're going to let you do that too and just let the background come through. But obviously, this is the layout that works best and looks best, shows the most views of the person. So go ahead and submit registry book info, and you'll notice we didn't do the back page, and you get another flag that comes up saying you didn't do some of the information on page 3 and 4. So we're going to add the place of birth. And place of death. Put in, actually, so everything else already repopulates. You figure out the age based on the information you provide at the beginning. For page 4, this is where you would get this photo. So we suggest that you get a photo there. It's not necessary if you don't. You'll get a flag telling you forgot to get a photo there if you don't do it. Here's where you can change this text to the 2 provided verses, poems, and then also you can put in your own custom text. And that's one way to get this total to go up, just to put custom text in there. Otherwise, it will not go up. The 3890 is because I think that's because we just went to the custom text. Yes, so if we take that down to here, go back up, it's $33.90. So it gives you a running total the whole time you do it. So let's say we're done with this. Let's submit the registry book info. And now we scroll back up to the top, and that's part of our list. We've got it in the total, didn't go up. So now let's pick one of the programs. We've got 3 to pick from. Let's go with the single fold, 8.5 by 11. It's already repopulated, has a title at the top. Nothing to do on this page, not unless you want to change this title or change anything, but it's all there for you. And now let's go to the back page. And again, this is where we ask you to, you can click on this to get an idea what you're looking at. 4 photos, a little collage, and then you can fill out all this information over here on the right. So let's start with getting some photos. I'm just going to grab some of the same ones for the sake of speed. And then over here, you want to click on this gold bar to get the form to fill out this service information. So we have suggestions over here. You can type in whatever you want. Anything that's gray over here will not show up. So you need to fill out at least the first 3 to have something in there. So let's put in order of service. And this will remember what you do over time. So if you won't have to, if you just type the first few letters, it'll pick up some of your main headers that you would normally use. You don't have to start fresh each time. So then you would go on down the line and do as many of these as you need and hit done. And now you can submit this. And now you can see we've added this to the order. It turns green, go up top. You can see the running total hasn't changed. And now you can do the same thing with whatever other products you want. Let's just go through Bookmark. Bookmark is pretty much populated with everything you already need. If you want it, submit bookmark information. Now the bookmark is on our list. So pretty intuitive in its own right, and you can go back, reset, clear everything, choose a different package, save and continue. Prayer cards, again, pretty done there as well. You can change this, add custom text. That would make this go up $5, which it shows right there. We're going to keep it as one of these and submit the prayer card info. As soon as you do that, it becomes one of the products on your list, and say that's what we need. We're going to save and continue. So now you can go through and review your order, make sure you've got the things in there that you need, check your totals, and submit order. If you would like to do a rush, of course, do that.